Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Tony, if you are watching me very first time, make videos specifically on makeup. If you are a beginner, as you can see from the title in this video, how to do the cut crease, basically how to cut your crease and how to apply the eyeshadow. Let's just get started. Let's just start with the eyes, and for that I'm going to be using this concealer again on my eyelids, and I'm going to be working only one eye just to show you how you can do your cut crease. Again, your choice. If you have the primer like eye primer, you can use that and that will work fine. If you don't have, you can use the concealer. I don't have the primer, so I'm using the concealer. Very simple. Now next step, obviously you have to set the eyes with the powder once you apply the concealer. So once you do that, again, most of the people like to do like carving the eyebrows, but I don't usually do that. It just not looks good in everyday makeup. In this video I'm going to be using this palette. This is by Anastasia Beverly. This is a Norvina palette and it has these colors right here. So I'm gonna be working on a very neutral color just to show you guys how you can cut your crease. I'm taking this kind of brush which is like I have to stamp it because I'm not going to blend it now. I have to stamp it only. So I'm gonna be going with this color right here. Always make sure that you're dusting off, and I'm gonna be focusing only outer corners right here, not taking. And make sure that, let me just get you a little closer. If you have the hooded eyes, make sure that you're not going above this because it's not gonna look good and you're gonna spread the colors all over your eyes because we have to blend this. And once you do that, now take any of the brush. So I'm taking this one. Take the lightest color. So you took the dark color. Now take this light shade, dust off and blend the edges very slowly like this. You have to give really good time in blending, so make sure that you're blending this harsh line into a very smooth. Once you do that, your eyes will look like this. Now take the concealer again on back of your hand. So I'm gonna be taking this one. As you can see, this is very flat. Just coat your brush on both sides and place it right here like this. You see, and just do like this. And now you can see it is already given you that stencil like here. And just start controlling your hand. So you will come up like this. That is how you can cut your crease. It's very easy. Now what you have to do, obviously you have to set with this with the powder, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing with the powder. Now you have to take the same ब्रश जो आपने स्टार्टिंग में लिए थे ब्रशेस, आपको क्या करना है, सेम ऑब्वियसली ये वाला कलर आपको लेना है, this one right here, and you have to make sure that this is not the harsh line. आपको इसको blend करना है. Now यहाँ पर आप अपने अकॉर्डिंग, आप अपनी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग आप शिमर लगा सकते हैं, आप ग्लिटर लगा सकते हैं. So for this video I'm going to be taking this shimmer shade right here, which is kind of a pink shade, and I'm going to be applying this in my inner corners like this. Guys, so eyes will look like this, and then you can obviously apply the liner, kajal, whatever suits you best. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow from this palette. This is from Huda Beauty. And I'm going to start making a line right here. Alright guys, so your eye will look like this. Now you can obviously curl your lashes and apply the mascara. If you have the falsies, you can wear your falsies as well. Again, your choice completely. I'm using this L'Oreal telescopic lift. You can apply the same color in your lower lash line. It's up to you, your choice according to whatever suits you best. But I like to do white kajal and just gonna apply in my outer area. That's it. I'll be back with the second eye as well. Alright guys, so I have done my both the eyes and this is how they are looking. You enjoyed this video and this is how basically you can do your cut crease. You are a beginner, you can do the middle cut crease as well, like the same way I did. I have did the inner corners and then I have applied the shimmer on top of that, but you can do on the middle as well, just like I did in this video. So hope this video was useful for you. Then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and leave your comments in the comment section. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. I love you all. How the eyes are looking, they are looking so pretty and perfect. Bye.